Hey guys, Steve Collector here. As you see, I'm gonna be recording a vlog today. If you looked in my description, I like to vlog. So my vlog is gonna be me going to the park. So yeah, my neighborhood's pretty scary when it comes to coming this way. There's like here. I'm gonna go. I'm literally gonna show you. I'm gonna go in. All right. I won't be talking very much though. So I might just skip forward. Okay, let's keep on going. I'm really on my hoverboard right now. So my brother was gonna come with me, but he didn't have time. So there's also a snake trail. That's right. Okay, so here it is. This is the snake trail. This is a snake trail. So yeah, over there I'm not going because you're not allowed to go there. As you can see, there's a big snake trail, and that trail leads to snakes. And I'm not gonna go there. I will show you another path that's actually pretty damn scary. I feel like there's ghosts in here because my house has been acting super weird. Let's go ahead to the next path. There's literally gunshots everywhere. You'll hear them every single time. I don't know if they're gonna be on right now, the gunshots, but they usually are on, and they make a tremendous noise. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the park, but also showing you some stuff while I'm going to the park. So really was excited about making my new YouTube channel. Okay, let's see where the next path is. It's over here, I believe. Okay. It's a bad idea. But I swear, I feel like if I go this way, I feel like ghosts are gonna come my way or something. It's gonna be super scary, guys. This neighborhood is giant, really big. Bigger than you'd imagine. So, the park is kind of far. I've went to this neighborhood and I've almost been freaking, I've got so many times yelled at and freaking almost got ran over 10 times. It's freaking scary. This neighborhood is not safe at all. It's police. I'm just glad we have police in our neighborhood. Shit. Yo, I feel rain, This might be bad, yo. Dude. Watch out. There might be rain. That's alright. Let's see if we can find this path though, because I really want to show you guys it. It's pretty damn scary. Yeah, I feel rain. Next. Oh shit, guys, it's starting to rain, yo. I'm gonna have to hurry it up. I'm gonna quickly show you. Oh shit, yo. Fuck, man. See that? This is why you don't ride like that. This is. Oh shit, guys. I might have to turn off the video for now. I'm gonna try to record as much as possible, guys, because it's starting to rain a lot. Oh, there it is, guys. There's actually the table, and it's filled with water bottles and shit like that. It looks like someone just like took them. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to hurry up to the park because it's pretty damn rainy out here. I'm gonna have to point down. Sorry about that, guys. It's raining a lot, so. Oh shit! You see, these hoverboards are not safe, yo. I might start walking to the freaking park now instead of using my hoverboard these days. So, dude, it's so scary. I'm getting wet, yo. I'm trying to record as long as I can right now, guys. I really need some support. How long is the bigger one? For 5 minutes. Damn, it's fucking scary out here. Jeez. Jesus Christ. There's literally, like, if I go in my backyard, behind it, there's like a swamp and everything. There's fucking raccoons, bees, wasps. It's scary back there. I can't go. I can go outside, but I just can't go in the back too much because, you know, the only time I go climb over that fence is when there's a ball missing. It's freaking scary, guys. When I first moved into this neighborhood, I thought it was going to be super cool because, you know, we got a better house and everything. But you guys, it's so scary. I really like to do vlogs, you know. Where the frick is the park? Is it over here, I believe? Yeah, it's like right over here. I'm getting wet. Yeah, here's the park over there, guys. You can see. Yeah. I'm starting to record up. I'll try to keep it good. They're literally rebuilding stuff, yo. It's so scary. My brother might be coming, maybe. Maybe. It's freaking scary out here. Okay, guys, we're here. Shit. Okay, so we're at the park, guys. Oh man, the vlog got messed up already. So as you can see, it's the park. Look at that. There's a. Oh, let me try to freaking focus it or something. There's a bug right there. This park is not even safe. Fucking scary, that's what it is. Okay, I'm gonna try to climb these freaking guys. Oh, but my feet just... Yo. Oh, shit, yo. I might be bringing Wii videos of Naruto. If you guys know what Naruto is, you guys are awesome. Okay. Dude, look at the view from over there. It's sick. I can't even zoom in. Look. But I don't know if I want to go any further. Really good view from up here. It's pretty sick. Okay guys, I'm gonna jump off now. Oh shit, yo. This park is not safe. Fucking ants everywhere. This park is not safe at all. I'm literally gonna show you guys. Like, there's bugs out here. And this thing, they're probably hiding right now though. So if I can show you them. No bugs up there. You guys, see that? Well, you don't want to disturb it. Is that a dragonfly? Dude, these bugs are so annoying, yo. Looks like it stopped raining. Sorry for the boring vlog, guys, but you know, couldn't do too much around this park. So, yep. Looks like I'm leaving Thief Collector out.